Imagine a world where every stone tells a story of power, and every breeze carries the scent of cedar and spice. You are standing at the heart of the world. It is the 2nd century, and the sun is beginning its slow descent over the eternal city. Welcome to Rome, not the ruin you know today, but the living, breathing masterpiece of the Caesars. Close your eyes. Hear the pulse of the empire. Let the modern world fade, and step into the light. The air is cooling now. The heat of the Italian sun lingers on the marble walls, radiating a gentle warmth as you pass. To your left, the Tiber flows, a gray-green ribbon carrying grain from Africa and silk from the east. There is no rush here. In this moment, time is as heavy as the stone monuments around you. Observe the details. The intricate embroidery on a senator's stola, the smell of roasting chickpeas from a nearby thermopolium, and the way the light fractures through the spray of a public fountain. You are walking through the center of the universe. Every triumph, every betrayal, and every law that shaped Western civilization was whispered in this square. Look up at the Arch of Titus. The carvings tell of victories in far-off lands. But today, they only host the shadows of the evening. The Forum is winding down. The lawyers and merchants are heading home to their villas or insulae. There is a profound silence growing between the columns, a majestic stillness that only a city this old can command. From the heights of the Palatine, the city reveals its true scale. A forest of marble, a mountain of brick. As the sun touches the horizon, the white stone of the city turns to rose, then to lavender. This is the Roma Quadrata, the sacred ground of kings. From here, you can see the fires being lit in the kitchens of the great houses. The scent of wood smoke and expensive oils begins to drift through the air. The day of labor is over. The night of the eternal city is about to begin. The sun has set on the Rome of the Caesars, yet it never truly leaves us. The echoes of these streets live in our languages, our laws, and our dreams. As the stars emerge over the Capitolium, remember, you are not just a visitor to the past. You are a witness to the endurance of the human spirit. The light may fade, but Rome remains, smooth, eternal, majestic.